Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to change your Weebly website name. First, log into your account, then on the top right, click on the Edit Site button. Now, to change your website name, on the upper ribbon, go to the Settings. Then, under the General tab, you can go to your site title section. Here, you can now change it to your liking. So just go and type in the title for that website. Once done, click on the Save button at the right side. Now, if you go back to the Build section of your website editor, you will now see that your new name is now added to your website. And that's just basically it. That's how you change your Weebly website name. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.